Hi Mobsters, it's Moffrey, and welcome to another vlog. Oh, I'm gonna go to the cinemas again this week, so I've only got this week to use my village cinemas in the past. And the movie I'm gonna go see is the most anticipated movie ever, is the new movie Jigsaw. Now, I saw the final chapter was actually meant to be the final Saw movie, but they decided um, 7 Saw movies wasn't enough, so they decided to do Jigsaw. So yeah, I'm gonna go see it, and I'll talk to you later on. Well, I've arrived in Albury, and I'm about to go to the cinemas itself. Like I said, I'm going to go see the new Jigsaw, but I won't actually film in the cinemas itself. I'll be turning my phone off, because you've got to actually have your phone turned off when you're watching any movie at the cinemas. But yeah, I'll continue this vlog after. Oh, I've just arrived back from Albury. Finished watching the movie I went to go see today, which is the new Jigsaw. Now, for those of you that don't know, Jigsaw actually came out on Halloween this year. It been out for a few weeks. Now, normally I would have just waited till the Saw movie had come on Blu-ray and or DVD, but I thought, no, I'll go watch this one at the cinema centres. So I needed to use my Village Cinema Centre card up anyway. I've got $1 on it left, but I'm just gonna not worry about using the rest of that. There, it's only $1, but yeah, I've used most of the card, and it expires on the 30th anyway. So yeah, thought I'd use what's left of it to enjoy a day at the cinemas. Well, before I went and saw the movie itself, I actually went to the place where you go get your popcorn. I'd got a few items, because as I said, I wanted to use the rest of the money up on the card. I didn't quite use all of it. I had spent a fair bit on it anyway. I bought a large popcorn and drink. I actually got the drink inside a Justice League mug. Got the tray of nachos, and also $8 worth of lollies. But yeah, still at $1 on the card. Now, I'm going to do a movie review, and that'll probably come up. I'll do that probably a few seconds after I've uploaded this. And yeah, well, this concludes the vlog. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a movie review for the Jigsaw movie, and if you liked the video though, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. And if you want notifications for any upcoming videos, also hit the notification button, and the subscribe button also, which is next to that subscribe notification button. But yes, I'll end this. This is Moffrey signing off. Peace out. TTFM. Ta-ta for now. You can also follow me on my social media.